Hey, what's up, traders? Mike here with the watch list video for Thursday, December 21st, which happens to be my wife's birthday. So I am only working in the morning tomorrow, and then I'm going to go have fun with her. All right, so I'm actually thrilled to see this nasty red day on the SPY. Dow was down 475 points. Some people were asserting that it was China saying they were going to, what is it, unify with Taiwan. An interesting way of putting it. Not sure if anyone's asked Taiwan. I'm also not sure if that's what caused the sell-off. I honestly don't know, but that was what people were asserting. Although the news came way before. We go to 5-minute candles. Market traded all the way up till like almost 2 o'clock before things fell apart. So I don't know. I mean, we were certainly overbought. I've been talking about how stupid strong the market's been. We've been in a melt up. As a day trader, I'm thrilled to see some weakness. I did post this in chat every day. Somebody said they liked it, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to show it in the video tonight, right? Show up every day, follow a process, and if you deviate from that and make money, you've still lost. And I posted that because somebody, talked about getting killed today, trying to bottom feed on a certain stock that was getting killed. Because, if you think about it, there's not been a lot of weakness lately. So something to think about. Let me throw this up here. For people that are seeing this video for the first time, it's a video of stocks that I'll be watching tomorrow, all right? They're in play, which means basically recent high volume move lately, right? Or a morning gap play tomorrow is also going to be in play and have a strong chance of giving a good setup for a day trade. I do not hold overnight, not even my wife, all right? It's not worth the risk to me. Stops can gap down the next morning, and my wife can be super dangerous as well, I'm not going to lie. Most people think every trader is an investor, but a true day trader looks for intraday opportunities and goes to 100% cash each night. That's me. We have investors in the room, but they still use our group to make money between the bells. And then just some highlights from today. Had some neat trades today. VFS, I called over 8. It topped out at 8. Yesterday's high was like, 804 or something. So it was already on the watch list. Topped out at a whole number early. Yesterday's high just above is another catalyst. We like stacked catalysts, whole number inflection point. So I got filled at 801, scalped some for 823. At that point, my stop was to break even, so I had zero risk at that point. Money in the bank. Sold some more at 850. That was a neat little trade. For those of you following along on what I'm calling the 2-minute hiccup play, first time I've used it since coming up with the thesis. Again, we build A-plus setups by putting out a thesis and then starting to trade them and then adding rules as we go. POL is the first one I've actually traded since I came up with the idea. I got long. There's that red 2-minute candle. I got long when it broke that at 336. Worst case stop, I think was 30 cents below that red candle. And then sold at 408. That was a pretty cool trade and it happened pretty quick. Same stock later, I called a twos buy zone watch. If you haven't seen our free webinars on buying pullbacks, you might not know what a twos buy zone is, but there's 2-minute candles right between the 8 and the 20 period moving average. I had a bid at 655, and it was one of those that I looked away. The next thing I know, I'm in it, and it's already back over 7. Like, that's how quick it happened. I didn't even know I was in it, and I look at, oh shit, I'm in it. And so sold some a little bit over 7 and the rest at 812 from a 655 fill. Trade lasted about 3 minutes. And I know other people in chat got that from my post, the twos buy zone watch. So overall, I had a really nice day. I think that was all of my trades, to be honest with you. And then things got ugly in the afternoon. And as I said today in the morning, I had to leave early anyway. So anyway, here are the A-plus. Let me rephrase that. Here are the in-play stocks that we'll be watching for A-plus setups tomorrow. Ready? POL, huge move today. If you're a day trader, you better have that on watch tomorrow. SXTP, also a nice little breakout in a weak tape. CCCC, just a recent ripper that put in a narrow range today. I've got to keep that one on watch because I'm a day trader. No trades in it today, though. LQDA definitely goes on watch tomorrow. Massive rip. SST, nice little mini breakout and nice strength on a weekday. ANY, I mean, my problem with this, very, very strong on a weekday, but it's also been running for 3 days straight, but I'll still have it on a chart. You guys know I won't trade it unless I get an A-plus setup. SOS, breakout attempt, closing still above these recent highs. So definitely worth keeping an eye on tomorrow. PRZO, nice volume today, nice little breakout. SCS, look at this after the gap down today. Crazy strong. We're going to watch that for the next week or so. PLSE, I'm putting on watch because of the big rip. Quiet inside day on lower volume. Could be a third day play. And then lastly, PBLA, which is probably my favorite one actually, but I got to zoom in to show it to you. So you had this massive rip here, and then a gap up, and then a red day and another red day. Volumes falling off. I love this as a bounce play tomorrow. We'll see if we get an A+ setup. We'll add gappers as we always do in the pre-market. I'm done babbling. We'll see y'all in chat.